Greetings, everyone. This is a 1984 Fleetwood Wilderness RV travel trailer, 28 foot long, that I lived in briefly during the summer of 2020, and I paid $300 for it out of my stimulus check that I received because I wanted shelter as a homeless traveler, and I did an extreme deep cleaning on this RV. It took me many days, many hours to get it in livable condition, and the air conditioning did not work on it, nor did the hot water heater, and even the external hot water heater that came with it didn't work either. So window units were added. I had to put a used mattress in the back, and the water did work. However, the toilet had to be replaced, so I had to go out and get a real cheap porcelain full-size toilet and have somebody put it in for me. So overall, the quality of living was decent when everything was cleaned up. And the gas stove, I never bothered to use it to pay for the canisters and make it work, so I used an electric burner in the kitchen there, as seen in the pictures. So I tried to make this as decent as possible, to have an average living experience in it, of which I did. And also there was a slight infestation of rats and other bugs in there that I sort of contained and made it better also. And most of the lights worked, and it had the original radio in it that worked also. So it is a fascinating time capsule that was 36 years old at that time. And I made the best of it. I enjoyed living in it as long as I could, although I could not afford to pay the lot rent. So I had to give it up pretty cheap. And all this was in Weatherford, Texas, in a very inexpensive park. So I really hope you enjoyed the tour of this RV. It was almost all original. Please subscribe, and we'll see you again.